Hi, I'm Jerry Drager, Drager's International Classic Sales in Burlington, Washington. We're here at Drager's Clubhouse and I want to show you this vehicle. I want to talk to you about this 2008 Chevrolet we've got here. Now, this is newer than we normally get into truck-wise, but this came out of an estate and I bought 2 trucks, a car, and a motorcycle out of this estate. And I got to tell you, this truck was a little dirty because it had been sitting outside and stuff, and it just cleaned right up. And it's a one-owner car, got the original bill of sale with it, and it just really runs and drives nice. We bought it on the other side of Cedar Woolley and drove it home. I drove it back here, and it just drives great, and it's super clean. We put a windshield in this, didn't we?
Yep.
Yeah, it was cracked windshield, so we put a brand new windshield in it. And I mean, you look at the paint on here, it's not perfect. It's got
255, I think.
255,000 miles on the thing. It's got good rubber on it, and it's got, you can just see it. It's really straight. I don't think there's a dent in it anywhere. But there are, there's a little spots like some chips in the paint. And there's they've been brush touched a little bit here, across here. I know there's more than that. I saw them. But anyway, there's not much on here. Yeah, see, there's a couple of spots right there that have been brush touched. But look at this thing. It's a massive looking front end on there. That big rig with the big bumper. You can hook on down here to tow it out of something if you get it stuck in something, or maybe you got to back it out. Now it's a 4-wheel drive, and that all works good. It's an automatic, just like we expect it to be. Anyway, you can just see how, I mean, these all looks really good. It's got good rubber on it, and it's got these Cooper tires on there. And I mean, I think that was the biggest thing we had to do, is put a windshield in the thing. And other than that, it just runs good. I mean, it was amazing to me how well it runs and drives. So you can see how nice this door panel is. Here's a sticker right here from the manufacturing in Ohio is it? Or whatever state that is.
Illinois?
Illinois, maybe it's Illinois. Anyway, you can just see all this is good and clean and straight. The interior is real nice. It's got one little spot in the seat in there, but it's not much. Anyway, and you can just see how the headliner and all looks good. The thing, it's got 4-wheel drive right there, and that we've checked it out. It works. We'll try to show you that. We'll take it out when we drive it today. We'll go through the gears for you so you can see it, and you can just see it. I just am kind of amazed how clean and nice this truck is. It just looks really good. The doors both close good. It's just got this tank here. I don't know how big a tank it is. It's got this steel toolbox back here in the back. Came with it, and it's been rhino-lined. It feels like to me. Maybe it came that way. I don't know. You think this was factory?
No, it had a sticker on the back window that was kind of peeling off, and I just took that off. So that was.
Oh, okay.
BEDLINER X or whatever that is, the yellow sticker.
Okay.
Line X maybe is what it's called.
Yeah. Anyway, you can see these tires are good. They're MB. I don't know what
MB wheels is what it says. I don't know what that means.
Yeah, I don't know either. But they're good-looking wheels on here. Of course, the back end is all real good. It's a Silverado, as you can see right there. It's got a trailer hitch on there and a plug right there. So it's got a big plug. Doesn't have a brake actuator. See, the tailgate comes down good. And it's got tie downs down low there. Not much in the way of tie downs on it, but they could be added real easy. You can see the bed. There's not a dent in it or anything, so I don't think they ever use this for a truck. They use it for a car. That closes nice. I mean, the bumpers, you know, they look good. Oh, there's a little dent right there. It's not much of anything right there, the little dent. Other than that, nothing. Everything looks good on this thing. It's got the backup. So there's backup lights up on top of the roof there. Maybe those are lights you can turn on just so you can see in the box. I haven't figured that out. I didn't even think about it. And, oh, there's a little spot right there. There's a little dent right there. I don't even think you can see it.
I can't see it.
Anyway, I could see it. And again, just look how nice and clean this is. I mean, it's clean. It's been cared for very well. And again, you see the seats in here, glove box. It's got two glove boxes. It's got one right here, and this thing is set up with you can have Sirius radio and satellite too, I guess, on there or whatever. Oh, it's not satellite. What is it? It's OnStar. So it's a late model rig. Anyway, you can just see how nice this thing is. And this folds up, so you can put a little person in there. Anyway, I think you'd be hard pressed to find a nicer truck, and the one that runs as good as this, in which you'll get to see it run and drive. We're going to show you the operation of the lights, turn signals. There's the lights, high beam, low beam. Look at there, bright lights. They work good. Turn signals, they both work. And it's got electric wipers on it too. You didn't even have to start it up to work. And the horn. So that all works. We're going to start this truck up for you so you can see everything working here. There's the tail lights on right now. Brake lights. Brake lights. Turn signals. Lots of turn signal on there, isn't it? And that's the brakes again, and there's the backup lights working. And then there's cargo light up there, so you can see that works also. So all the lights work good. It's got a trailer hitch on the back here with a plug in right there. It's a mammoth front end on here. Anyway, there you go. You can see how clean and nice this is. It all looks good. Start it up. Let's hear it run. You can just see how clean and nice this truck is. I mean, I'm totally impressed with how clean it is. And I think you will be too. And I think, you know, it's not been beat up or bounced around a whole lot. Again, it's not perfect, but I mean, the whole thing just looks really good. I think you'll really enjoy it.
Here's the underside of the 2008 Chevy pickup. You can see the rear bumper's in good shape. The chrome's nice. It's got one little dimple right there. Otherwise, it's in great shape. I mean, it's not real big. You wouldn't even notice it probably if the truck was on the ground. The underside of this truck's very clean. That spare tire looks like it's never been used. You can still see factory markings on there. So this truck's I assume this is all highway miles because the way this truck drives so dang nice and it's so clean. But see, the rear end's all painted up nice, clean. I mean, it's not show under here, but it's really clean for how many miles it's got on it. And there's nothing much I can really point out because there's no damage or rust anywhere under here. Oops, I can get the light back here so I can see better. Anyway, it's all in nice shape. Look at the big gas tank. I don't know how, that's got to be over a 20-gallon tank, I would imagine. It looks big. I think I put about 50 bucks in this thing and I think it filled it up halfway, so I don't know what the capacity is. That big giant muffler, and it's quiet. It's not corroded or falling apart. Oh. Frame's all straight. There's nothing I can show you as far as corrosion anywhere on the floor pans or frame or anything. everything just looks nice under here. Exhaust is in good shape again. I mean, it's not falling apart or anything. I mean, it's just all in great shape under here. Just trying to take my time to show you everything. And this four-wheel drive, you can see they got the transmission right there. And I got another drive shaft going forward to the front differential. Anyway, there's the bottom of the, well, you can't hardly see it, the 5.3 liter, I guess is what it is. And you can see it's got rack and pinion steering. And I don't know if we mentioned that, we might have said four-wheel disc brakes, but it's disc brakes in the front and drum in the rear. That's a great driving truck, though. I mean, I don't think you'd have any complaints about the way this thing drives. Drives like a new truck as far as I'm concerned. I mean, it feels like it. But anyway, that's the underside of the Chevy truck, and there's another shot of the tires. They look like they're fairly new. I mean, there's a lot of tread on them. Another shot going back. Maybe I can do an overall here real quick. Anyway, that's the underside. I'll take some good photos of it, maybe a little bit more detailed. I feel like I'm jumping around a little bit on this video, but hopefully you can see it really well.
We're going to take it out on the freeway, so you see it go down the freeway. I mean, just look at how nice this truck is. I'm trying to hold it real steady for you so you can see it really well. I mean, it's a good looking truck. It's a little wide right here. You getting it out without moving the mirrors? He did it.
It's just barely
fits. See there, it's just close. Anyway, you can just see how good it's a good looking truck. And it's quiet too. We're not used to this newer truck. Most of our old trucks, they're old and they drive old. Some of them are pretty modern, though, as they've been street rotted and everything.
Radio works good.
So it has a CD player here too.
Yep.
So it's got it all. So you've driven this truck a little bit, haven't you?
Yeah, I think I've taken it home three nights maybe. So half hour each direction on the highway. It drives great. I mean, it's an awesome driving truck. Yeah, I don't know. I can't say anything bad about how it drives.
No, I'm just amazed at how clean and nice it is. How well it runs and drives.
I mean, everything's tight. There's no play in the steering at all. I mean, we're moving with that little bit of turn on the wheel. I mean, there's no play in the front end or anything. The brakes feel good. I mean, it stops straight. Take the hands off the wheel and it doesn't pull in any direction.
Nice and straight, yeah. No, it's a pleasure to get a truck like this, or a car. It doesn't matter. When you find one as nice as this, you need to buy it. And I did. And truthfully, when I looked at it the first time I saw it, it had been sitting outside and it was dirty. It had dust and dirt on it, and I just thought, oh. But after we got it home and we cleaned on it and washed it, and it just cleaned right up. I mean, it's a nice truck. We're just going over I-5 And we're going to go south on 5 so you can see how well this thing runs and drives. Andrew sometimes thinks he's a race car driver when he goes through all this stuff. And it depends on how heavy the traffic is.
70. We're doing 70 already.
Did you get your...
Oh, yeah, it's right on
69 right now.
So,
So
that's accurate.
we're doing 70. It's smooth and it's quiet in here. You just...
Yeah, you don't have any exhaust leaks, no motor noises, nothing. No wind noise from the windows.
No.
All the rubber door seals are in good shape.
Yep. Well, now you're driving down the freeway. What do you think?
I love it. I mean, I drive this thing every day if I could. A lot better than my little pickup that I drive. Anyway, that's a neat truck. I like that it's, I don't know if it's a factory ride height, but being 4x4, maybe this is a stock height, but it's a nice height too. It's clearance.
It's a little tall to get in and out of, but not bad. So, anyway, this just gives you a chance to see how it runs and drives going down the road. And we're coming into my favorite corner here. Andrew likes to go into this thing fast, and it says 20 mile an hour turn right there. See that? And yet he likes, well, he's slowing down now. And you can see the brakes, they work great. I mean, this is a really good truck. Pretty amazed how nice this thing is. I never met the guy. I knew nothing about him or anything else, but he did buy it new, and he bought it right here in town, Blade Chevrolet. Which is just right south of us here a little ways. They're they're in Mount Vernon and we're in Burlington, but the two cities adjoin. No rattles, nothing rattles or anything on it. It's like a new truck, but it's not. But it's sure clean. You got air conditioning and everything in there too, so. This is not a race car. They're nice and smooth though. You can just see how nice it tracks and everything and looks good. Here he comes right at you. You can see it tracks good. It looks good all the way underneath. Nothing's hanging down. You're going to like this truck. We're going to do this one more time. I told him I want to hear rubber. Okay. Oh, he did it. Look at there. Anyway, you can see we did it. And you can see, look, you can just see how nice and straight it is, how clean it is, how well it runs, quiet. I think you'd be real happy with it. And a lot less than a brand new truck. And I don't know if you gain a whole lot difference. This is an above average truck, and I think you'll enjoy it a lot. Give us a call. we'd be more than happy to talk to you.